Before you get started, you're going to want to choose a space in your home that gives you plenty of space and a soft surface. When you're assembling, you want to make sure that you're on a soft surface so nothing gets scratched up. So you'll need an electric screwdriver and the screwdriver with a Phillips head on it. Inside the packaging, you will find that the rocker is extremely well packaged. You're going to want to unwrap everything and lay out all of your parts on your mat. So we're going to have 2 pieces for the frame. You're going to have 48 screws if you have the XXL rocker, and you're going to have 12 pieces of the rainbow slats if you have the XXL rocker. On the XXL rocker, there are 2 slats for the place of 3rd and 4th from the bottom that have a hole closer to the edge. This is to allow the ramp to fit on the rocker. So you want to make sure the 2 holes closest to the edge are facing each other and are in the 3rd and 4th position on the rocker. Start by screwing in the provided screws partially through from the outside of the frame in. Line up the board to the screws and proceed to screw 3/4 of the way in. Not screwing all the way in will allow you to move and straighten the boards later if needed. Having a second person hold the frame while you are screwing and holding the individual boards is incredibly helpful and will speed up the process. When installing the 3rd and 4th slat, you want to ensure that the space between the top hole and the outside edge is the smallest on the top side. So slats number 3 and number 4 both have different spacing. You'll want to ensure that these small gaps between the edge and the hole are aligned together on this side. It's going to give the proper spacing for the ramp to be used. So now that we've gotten them halfway screwed in, we're going to do the other side. So we're going to grab the second frame. And we're going to line up the first and the last and then fill in the center. Placing an Allen key or a thin toothpick or similar object into the hole will help you align the board as you drill the second screw into the other side of the board. Once you've gotten them lined up and halfway through, you're going to repeat the process for all of the other slats. So now that we've gotten them all screwed in halfway, we're going to flip it over. Like so. And complete the drilling process on all sides. Now that we have all of the screws in place, we are ready to play. So it can be used exactly like this, like a climber. And if you have an infant, you can use it as a baby gym, so you can have different things hanging from the slats and they can lay down underneath. or you can use it as a rocker, which is the intended purpose. So, with all open-ended toys, they can be used in many different ways. Here, and that is the rocker full assembly. Thank you for watching the assembly video. We hope you found it helpful.